Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 2nd April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 9 points up move at the level of 11,743 because yesterday the Indian markets opened and closed, and so is SGX Nifty opened and closed almost at the same level. It is called as a doji, which has been formed yesterday, and yesterday's US markets have done pretty great for itself. 329.74 points up on Dow Jones, 99 points up on Nasdaq, and 32.79 points up on S&P, everything above 1% and odd. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have taken a resistance again at the level of 11,700 levels, 11,738 to be very exact. It took a resistance and afterwards came down, helter skelter, came down all the way to the level where the market actually started. Look at this particular level. The level where it took a resistance is right over here, and it took a resistance and came down all the way. It was about to touch the level of 11,760, before which 11,738 level took as a very strong resistance and made the market come down. So probably we may see that market may turn up from here onwards, or we may see some downturn in order to see the upturn again in the market. So that's what the technical analysis is predicting. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? Of course, 11,700, 11,738 and 11,760 are the only resistances we have to watch out for. What are the supports we have to watch out for? There are lots of supports we have to watch. 11,624, 11,600 and 11,566 levels, 11,512 levels, and 11,500 of course is a very strong support, and 11,476 levels and 11,435 levels. 11,400 is a very strong support. Below that, 11,344 is a very strong support for the market. As of now, we have to watch out for. And fast stochastic is at a level of 86.51, which means that we are not in a overbought zone yet, and MACD is showing that it is slightly positive, 178.89, and exponential is at 161.17. so MAC momentum is intact, it is positive is what MACD is showing. Slow stochastic is at the level of 94.06, which is bit in the overbought zone is what slow stochastic is showing. So fast stochastic and slow stochastic is mostly denoting that we may see some market downfall in today's session or near future. That's what is the technical analysis predicting. If you want all this technical knowledge and make about 3% to 15% every month, click on the first link in the description below. You will be taught 5 strategies which makes you money in any kind of market. Up market, down market, does not matter. You will be trading in non-directional method with very good hedging methods, what I'll be teaching. This is happening in Residency Road 91 Springboards on Saturday and Sunday this weekend. Enroll fast, and I only have about 7 seats left because we had about 10 seats already filled up yesterday. So this is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.